Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And the other day, if you remember, I made a set reviewing and unboxing number 4 Privet Drive. And when I went to Target, I bought another set, and this set is set number 77013, The Escape from the Lost Tomb. It's an Indiana Jones Lego set, my first Indiana Jones Lego set review on the channel. And this set comes with 600 pieces, and I think everywhere where you can buy it, it retails for $40, so just looking at it now, I know the price per piece is probably going to be pretty good. I mean, $40 for 600 pieces, that's crazy. That's really good. But anyway, this set looks like it comes with 4 minifigures, and we will see if this is worth it. Here is a look at the box art for the set. I am going to be holding the camera for this because this box is really weirdly shaped. Like, it's really tall, and it's kind of thick on the sides. It's a weird shaped box, but the box art is really cool. If you look at the top here, it has the Lego logo, and then it has Indiana Jones, just like how it's written in the movies. And there's like a whip design for like sectioning off the title. It looks super cool. And underneath that, we have the age rating, 8+, the set number, the name, the piece count. And up here we have Indiana Jones, with a nice map background. That's a nice Easter egg to the travel scenes in the movie. And he looks super cool. And then the box art, it looks like the setting is when they get trapped in that tomb, or where the Ark is located. I recently watched the movie, so I remember them getting trapped, and that's like the stone that they moved to let them out, or trap them. But it looks like on the front here, we have one of the Sphinx statues collapsing, Indy jumping on it, and then there's a mummy in the background, and then just looks like a bunch of snakes and stuff. Very nice front box art. On the back of the box, it looks like at the top we have the Indiana Jones text again. And there's some nice background here. There's some nice like ancient symbols and stuff. It adds a lot to like making the box look like it has texture and stuff. But anyway, there's 4 pictures up top of different things you can do with the set. We'll look at those later. Then on the bottom, it provides an alternate view of the set, just so you can kind of see on the back. There's like a extra area with a mummy. I'm curious to see what that's going to look like. And then it looks like on the bottom here, there is another picture depicting what the set can do. And then on the sides, there it looks like there's another picture. And at the top here, it shows the minifigures. That's kind of nice. And then there's Indy. And it looks like the rest of the sides are kind of normal. All right, let's open this up. So I think this set uses push tabs. I used it in an example for my last video. Oh man, this is gonna be painful. So you just have to push down on these. Oh, I hate this. Oh, it's so painful. There we go. 1, 2. Jeez, like look at that. It like, yeah. Now there's a crease here. It's not good. Then you pull it up. Yeah. I wish they would use tape for these. I don't know why they don't. There we go. Okay, we opened it. Yay. There we go. We're inside. Okay. Let's see. Oh, man. So this is bag number 4. I wonder if there's 4 bags in this set. Then we have some plates. 2 loose plates, it looks like. Then we have bag number 2. And bag number 1. These are really big bags. Like, look at that. And bag number 3. Wow. Whoever packaged this set, they really did it nicely. Oh, and there's the sticker sheet. It's kind of some big stickers. And look at that. Look at how pristine. Oh, man. Pristine the instruction manual is. Look at that. That's really nice. I wish all my instruction manuals came like that. That's very nice. Anyway, looks like that's everything. So it's 4 bags? Yes. 4 bags. 4 bags. A sticker sheet. The sticker sheet looks okay. And then the pristine instruction manual with some extra plates. So here's what the set looks like all put together. As you can see, it is a pretty big set. For $40, they do sure give you a lot of space, and it's a really nice display set too. Anyway, let's take a closer look at it. This set has a surprising amount of play features for a set that's only $40. So starting off with them, let's take a look at, I guess, minifigure involved play features. just places where you can place the minifigures. The first one is you can put your minifigures right here in this little like weird center area to like, cause this is where they stand when they're warding off the snakes in the movie. And they have like a nice little area for minifigures to stand. And also behind that, where the ark is, it's kind of hard to see. I'm gonna take out these Sphinx things right now. Anyway, but behind that, you can kind of see there's an area where the Ark of the Covenant is, and you can have like 2 minifigures go back there and then connect the ark to their hands like this. And look at the other guy. There you go. And then you can kind of just have them carry the ark off of the pedestal thing. So that's kind of cool. You can lift up the ark. It's very easy to do. So yeah, there are kind of a lot of minifigure play features in the front area, but one of the really cool play features in the set, I've never really seen this, but the set like self-destructs almost on like a really big level. So you might have noticed there's this little crank here, and this kind of sticks out a little bit. Well, if you turn this crank, the Sphinx thing falls and knocks over a wall, just like they do in the movie to get to the other section of the temple. Moving on to play features in the back, you might have noticed before that there is a little area in the back, this little green tunnel thing, and this actually has some play features as well. So to get there, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to destroy the wall, like I showed you. So basically, what you're supposed to do, I think, is you're supposed to put the minifigures on the destroyed wall, and then this is like a way, because in the movies they encounter like some mummies in the second room, and this is a way to represent that or replicate that. So what you do is you pull this lever, or little thing right here, and a mummy pops out. And I think that's super cool. It's kind of weird though, because like it's in a weird spot, if you know what I'm saying. Like, it's kind of weird to have minifigures just stand on this wall thing when you expect them kind of like to stand in this tunnel thing. I mean, it's just kind of weird. I'm glad they included it to add more stuff, but it's a weird feature. I don't know if they needed it, but still, it's kind of cool. Anyway, moving on from that, there is a way to represent the scene where the snakes are kind of flooding through the wall, or just, in this case, one snake is flooding through the wall. But if you have noticed this is actually a snake chute. So the way it works is you place a snake right here on this little platform on the snake chute, and then you lift up this lever here, and on the other side it comes through this little crack here. I think that's super cool. Even though it's just one snake, it's a super cool way to represent that, and I'm just glad this set has so many play features. Alright, let's talk about minifigures. So the first minifigure and the main character of this set is Indiana Jones, and I think he looks amazing. He has that nice leg printing, he has torso printing, and he has, I think this is a new whip piece, or relatively new. It looks super good. It's much better than the old one. And his hat is super cool. It has like the hair in it, and it has like a line across the top. It's super detailed. I think it's unique to him, or just the character, because it's in other sets. But I think this Indy isn't exclusive. I think this is the same one that's in all the other sets, but still, it's a phenomenal figure. It's very detailed. And on the back, I think there's just some more printing, and I think his other face, he looks very skeptical there. That's super cool. The next minifigure is Marion Ravenwood, and this is his girlfriend from the Raiders of the Lost Ark movie. And I think she looks very accurate to what she looks like in the scene, because she's wearing that white dress and it's very tattered. And I really like the dual molded legs with the printing. It looks kind of weird, but you get used to it, and I'm super glad they did that. And the top printing is super good as well. Let's see, double face. Yeah, this is more like a normal face. This one is the scared face when she sees the snakes, and that's what I had it as before for my beginning or intro. And she comes with a torch, which isn't unique, but still nice. Next up is Salah. I'm not really sure how you pronounce his name, but he was with Indy trying to get the Ark out of the tomb, and I think he looks okay. I do have some problems with this minifigure. For one, his face just looks like really like he's gonna betray Indy. It looks really devious, like he looks like he's a bad guy, but he's actually like a good guy in the movie. I don't know, I wish they'd change the face up a little bit. I feel like he had glasses. I'm not sure, I just feel like the face could use some improvements. Other than that, I think the outfit is pretty accurate. I could use some leg printing, but other than that, I think the outfit's pretty good. No double-sided face though. I guess that's okay. It would look weird with the turban. Anyway, I wish the face would have some improvements. Lastly, we have the unnamed mummy. I think he's just supposed to be one of the random mummies that was in the second room to scare Indy and Marion. And I think he looks pretty good. Really nice printing on the top and the legs. Very nice. I don't think it's dual molded. It kind of looks like it, but no, he's not. And on the back, it's very detailed as well. I just have one problem with this minifigure, and that it's not really like something, I don't know if they could change this, but it's just the design with every minifigure head. There's always like a gap right here between each face, and with a mummy minifigure, it just looks weird to have just this gap between the bandages. I think it would look so much better if that was just continued all the way around instead of having these weird gaps. But other than that, I think this is a great minifigure. I wanted to give you a closer look at the Ark of the Covenant, which is also included in the set, and I think it's a really cool mini build. However, I don't understand how LEGO can make this, because isn't one of their rules that they're not allowed to make religious objects? I don't know, this just seems to be breaking one of their rules on what they will make and not. I don't know, I mean, maybe because it's from a movie, it's an exception, but anyway, I think the Ark looks pretty good. It's kind of weird with that yellow piece in the middle with some stickers. I kind of wish that was just solid gold or whatever it is, pearl gold, whatever they use. I think it would just look so much better, but other than that, it's pretty good. Pretty good Ark. Alright, stickers and prints. So there are a lot of stickers in this set. That seems like a theme with LEGO nowadays, is just to have a lot of stickers. So starting off, I guess we'll look at these Sphinx things. They are basically the same except for the bottom. They both have like these stickers on their necks to represent like the chain that goes around them. They also have like this sticker to represent, I don't know, whatever's around their waist. They're very nice details. It's just these are such a pain to apply, the neck ones. Like, curved stickers like that are so hard to apply. I wish that was printed. It would just be so much easier. Not consumer friendly at all. Anyway, moving on to the main tomb area. There are some very nice stickers on this thing, and I just love, I'll just go to my favorite one. Right here, there is an R2-D2 and C-3PO sticker on the side of this thing, and that's awesome. It's a great nod to the original, and this is also actually in the movie. There's actually a picture of R2-D2 and C-3PO on the wall, and I just think it's a great reference, great sticker. But other than that, these are all stickers. On the other side, there's stickers as well, not as cool. And then back here, there are some like sarcophagus stickers that, here, you can't really take this out. I forgot about that. It's kind of there, but they're right there. They're nice. They're LEGO minifigures, which I think is super cool. And then back here on the wall, there's this sticker, which is like a really big sticker. It was kind of a pain to apply, but I think that's like a clone trooper helmet or something. I think there's some Easter eggs here. I'm not really sure what they are. It might be Bionicle or something, but I think there's some Easter eggs there. And up here, there's just some random hieroglyphics and stuff. So I think that's all the stickers, well, except for the Ark. I guess it has these 2 stickers on each side. But I think that's all on this side. And on the back, there is another big sticker. It's kind of hard to see, but there is like there's eyes peeking through on the sticker. I don't know really what this is supposed to be. Maybe like a cavern in the wall, but I guess it could represent more mummies back there with yellow eyes. But another kind of painful to apply sticker, but I think that's all on the main build. And I think that's everything. Yeah, that's all the stickers. Price per piece for this set is crazy. I just realized this, but this set, it retails for $40 like everywhere, and it has 600 pieces. So that means that its price per piece is like 6.5 cents per piece. That's insane. Like, how is this so cheap? There are some big pieces as well. Like, these pieces in the back are pretty big, and like you can tell by like the size, it's not a small set really. I don't know why it's so cheap. It's crazy. I'm really glad it's that cheap, but man, this has got to be like the best deal ever. So overall, regarding everything I've talked about, I feel like this set deserves another 10 out of 10, or very close to a 10 out of 10, just because this is like the greatest deal ever, and there's some great minifigures, some great stickers. Like, when is there ever great stickers in a set? And also, I guess if you wanted a lot of snakes, this would be a great set to buy. But it's a great set, great play features as well. I would definitely recommend buying this, so 10 out of 10, or very close to a 10 out of 10. So there you have it, guys. That's my review of set number 77013, The Escape from the Lost Tomb. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.